Welcome back. Hello. I am back. It's Sunday night. I would have been recording earlier, however we lost power for several hours, so I couldn't really do anything. I had a video I was gonna work on editing, and it's going to be my how to do the full page Cricut hack, like set your mat up to do that. And then it's going to be, I'm going to follow it up with another video on how I make my stickers. I'm going to try to edit some tonight. I downloaded DaVinci Resolve. I'm not sure if anyone else uses this. I've never used it before. I have been using Adobe Premiere Pro maybe, but it's a pirated version. I don't know if I can say that on the internet, but it's an old version. It's like 2014, 2015 maybe, and I'm just so cheap. I do not want to pay a monthly subscription for something that I could use indefinitely. I don't know. I mean, it's a smart business move for them, but I want to just pay a one-time fee and just have the software. And I feel like this version of Premiere is just, it's old. I don't know if certain things aren't working properly anymore, and I feel like I'm kind of outgrowing it. I'm not able to do certain things that I want to do, and I've seen other YouTubers talk about it, mostly the big ones like Jazza and Bailey J. I've not heard any small YouTubers talk about using this, so I'm not sure if it's widely known, but I downloaded it. It's free, and there is a pro version. So if I do end up really liking it, I can pay a one-time price and have the software. So I'm going to try the free version. It seems like there's lots of features to it. Take some time to learn that, so it's probably going to take me even longer to edit my videos. So I wanted to do that tonight, or at least work on it. Earlier in the day, me and Thomas went up to Buffalo, which is about an hour away, because we keep hearing rumors and articles are circulating about another lockdown, so we wanted to go get some more stuff just in case. Plus, we don't know how serious this lockdown is going to be if it happens. Like, we're just doing this just in case. But cases are really rising here, and there was no toilet paper and no paper towels already. So people have the same idea that they're going out and getting prepared, but I did find something. So as we were going through, I think it was when we were in Walmart, we were just walking around looking for some stuff, and they have their Black Friday stuff out. But I was just walking by and saw a huge pile of these ring lights, and it was 20 bucks. And I've been wanting to try a ring light because I have 2 umbrella lights. You probably don't really see them. They're pretty big, they take up a lot of room, and they're a pain to open and close and kind of like fold up and tuck away. It's a little bit of a process. So I was thinking that this ring light might be something that's a lot easier and takes up way less space. Plus, it comes with a phone holder already, and I don't think I've mentioned this on the video or in any video yet, but I got the new iPhone. So here is the ring light all set up. I'm just doing some test shots in front of the camera. I have the phone mount here. It's got this bendy arm, which is nice. And my only complaint is it's a USB cable that I have to plug into my computer. Here's the little controller switch for the different modes. And I don't know how close I'll be to my computer when I'm filming. And I can't change out the cord either because it's hardwired right into it. And I don't know if a USB extension cord is a thing. So I like it though. I like the white mode. I don't know why anyone would use the warm. So here's warm white, and that's like almost orange. But for 20 bucks, I'm pretty happy with it. And I can also move the light here. So it's on an adjustable ball mount. So I can loosen this and tip it down if I'm filming art videos. So that'll be really helpful. So I think for 20 bucks, it's a good deal, and I'm definitely gonna be using it. So I don't know if they're still available at Walmart. Like I said, I think it was a Black Friday deal, but you can try to find it. Hey guys, it's Monday, November 16th, and it's kind of late. Again, watch is dead. Let me plug that in. Yesterday, where I left off, we had lost power, but when I woke up this morning, we had power but no internet. So I planned on working from home, so I had to go in because we had no internet. So it's 8:30. I came home from work, we had dinner, and watched a couple episodes of our show. We're currently watching Blacklist on Netflix, and I just wanted to pop in here, and I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but I got the new iPhone. It's the iPhone 12 Pro. I previously had the iPhone 8, and I'm a nutcase. I left the plastic on the front and the back of the phone, and I had that inside a OtterBox case, which is a full all-around hard case, and then it goes in a soft shell. So I was like super crazy protective about this, but I waited a couple years. I don't want to get a new iPhone every year. I don't think I need that. So I knew I needed to upgrade because I wanted to take better pictures. When I was setting up my website a couple vlogs ago, I was actually using Thomas's phone because it took such good pictures, and so I wanted something to use for product photos and recording YouTube videos. So I didn't have enough storage on that iPhone either. So this one is a 128 gig. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing with you guys. There it is. It's the Pacific Blue color, which is really nice. Here it is. It's a nice soft matte back, and then the cameras. But I finally got my case delivered today. It took a couple days. Everything I've recorded and pictures I've taken so far look really good, so I'm really happy. Maybe it's recording right now.
Is it recording right now?
Why are you laughing? Close the door and don't listen. So here's the case. So it's gonna add a little bit of width to it, but I'll feel a lot better than just not having it in a case. There was other cheaper cases that just go on the back, and as I showed you with my iPhone 8, I'm like really protective with iPhones because they're so expensive. So I like full body cases, even across the screen and stuff. They say that iPhones are like drop protected up to this much or whatever, or try not to get water on it because I get nervous about all of that stuff. So let's get this in the case. Okay, so 1 hour later, we have the case on. I like that it's clear, so you can see the color of the phone, and it's got a black grip on the outside, so now I'm less scared to touch my phone. Hey guys, it's Wednesday the 18th. It's in the evening. I showered, don't have any makeup on. See the bags under my eyes. I'm sorry. Anyways, it's the 18th. It's getting pretty late for me to do Christmas stuff, but I ordered these wood slices, like wood slice ornaments. They're very light. They're kind of messy, so that's why I put them in this bin. Rustic twine, so I might use this on some of the wood slices, but what I was really hoping for was some red and white striped baker's twine. This small stack has sketches on them so far. So I got out my Arteza gouache set. I think this is a gouache set of 32 watercolors. So I have this, I have my Posca pen, my small Posca pen collection that I have. Hello, this is Editing Jessica here, and I just wanted to pop on and do a little voiceover to talk about the wood slice ornaments a little bit. I know they have become pretty popular as of late in the art community, and I want to let you guys know my thoughts. So, as I said in the previous clip, I found them to be a little bit messy with some of the bark coming off and just sawdust in general, which I guess can be expected. I did find it surprisingly easy to draw on them. And if I made any mistakes, I used my white poly eraser and everything erased very well, and there were no dark marks left behind, which was really nice. I was also pleasantly surprised how well the gouache and the Posca paint pens worked. I felt like they laid down very well and you could easily adjust the coverage as needed. So if you wanted to have more of the wood slice showing, you could put some more water in your mixture and it would be a thinner layer so that some of the wood grain could show through, which is really nice on some of the more rustic looking ornaments. It just depends on the look you are going for. I did go shopping to the Dollar Tree, so I will show you a little Dollar Tree haul in my next studio vlog, but I did get some stuff to package these ornaments and to do a little photo shoot, so I think that will be really fun. These are just a couple of the designs that I had thought of and that some people requested, but I will be working on some more over this next coming days to put into my shop. Oh, I forgot to mention anywhere in this video, maybe I'll talk about it more in my next vlog, but I did open an Etsy shop in addition to my own website. So I will be listing them on my Etsy shop as well. If there's any other designs that you guys would like to see on these ornaments, I'm always open to ideas, so just let me know in the comments below. I'm excited to try these for the very first time. It was very relaxing to have a cup of tea. I put on some Christmas music in the background and I just painted these for a couple hours. So I hope you guys enjoy them and want to purchase one to put on your Christmas tree or just something to hang in your art studio. I think they're very cute. I haven't decided if I'm going to seal them with something, perhaps some kind of clear gloss spray or some Mod Podge. I'm not really sure on that yet, but that will be for another day. And here is my first batch of my finished ornaments. And I just love them. It is November 19th and I just found out some really big news about YouTube, and I just suddenly felt so frustrated enough about hearing it that I wanted to make a video, which you probably already saw. Maybe you didn't, because maybe I decided not to upload it because I was upset. But I'm wearing a dress today, and you're probably wondering, why am I wearing a dress in the middle of November? But I'm actually going to get my tattoo finished tonight, and maybe I'll grab some clips during my appointment so I can show you guys. Alright, I will see you guys later.